Brian Sensei here. I recently took a trip to Japan where I got to experience some amazing restaurant automation. In this video, I'm going to share with you how many restaurants in Japan leverage technology to make the dining experience seamless. Let's check it out. I'm going to be highlighting a restaurant called Kura Sushi, also pronounced Kura Sushi. It's a conveyor belt sushi restaurant chain, and it's the second largest sushi restaurant chain in Japan. At places like Kura Sushi, they've streamlined the process so much that it's basically stress-free. When you arrive at the restaurant, head over to this sleek touchscreen kiosk. You'll select your party size, input your name or phone number, and boom, you're checked in. You will then receive a ticket number. Once your guest number is displayed on the guide terminal, that means your table is ready. The screen will also show you which table number that you've been assigned and will point you in the right direction. When you arrive at your table, you may find that the supplies such as chopsticks, soy sauce, ginger, and more are neatly organized and stored inside the table. At Kura Sushi, there's no traditional waiter to take your order. You can either grab food right off the conveyor belt or use the handy touchscreen tablet right at your table. You can scroll through a variety of nigiri sushi, sushi rolls, ramen, sides, drinks, and even desserts. You can even scan a QR code and order from your smartphone. After submitting an order, here's where the magic happens. Your food arrives on the upper level conveyor belt and stops right at your table. Boom shakalaka. Want a nice cold adult beverage with your meal? Check out their automated beer tap. Simply put your money into the machine, grab yourself an ice cold fresh mug, set it under the dispenser, and press the button. And boom shakalaka, a perfectly poured draft beer with a foam head made to perfection. At some restaurants, you might also find AI robots that bring you your drinks and food to your table. And guess what? You don't have to tip the robot. Actually, tipping at restaurants is not practiced or expected, so keep that in mind if you visit Japan. Once you're done eating, you'll use the same tablet to request your bill, review your order, and tap checkout. Then, take your original customer slip to the self-service kiosk at the front. Once there, scan your slip and follow the instructions on the touchscreen to complete your purchase through either cash, card, or mobile app. In this visit, we decided to pay with cash, 7,145 yen. At the time of this video, that amounted to about 47 US dollars. Not bad for a family of 4. If you liked this video, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want to see more of these videos, consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification button so you can be notified every time I post new videos. If you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please let me know by completing the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.